Let's make anday piyaz. Chop some onion. Add oil. Add chopped onion. Chop extras. Wait until it's get brown. Add zira. Add chopped tomatoes and chili. Add salt. Add red chili powder and haldi. After some time, add water. Wait. Open lid when you get this type texture. Add an egg. Mix it well. Looks how yummy #food. Add toppings. Pack it with me. Here we go.